Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. We are going to do your weekly readings. This is for Virgo. So let's see what do we have in store for Virgos. Please keep in mind that these are general reading. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you. So take what resonates guys and leave the rest, okay? So let's see what do we have in store for my Virgo. We'll see if this comes back again. Okay, now let's see what do we have in store. We are going to do reading for singles also at the end. Okay, Virgo, you are in this energy. 10 of Swords, feeling betrayed, hurt. I'm going to clarify further, but yeah, oh my god, 5 of Pentacles. Could be that somebody may have abandoned you all of a sudden. I do see that energy where somebody may have abandoned you, or a relationship just may have come to an end, or yeah. King of Wands. What's happening, Virgos? I hope you guys are fine. Hermit. Yeah, you are in a place of hurt. Yeah, we have the King of Wands, Hermit. Some of you are literally working on this relationship still, because that's because you hope that things will get better, you know, that kind of energy. So some of you are still working towards this relationship. Someone has put you in a place, Virgos, okay, where they may have left you all of a sudden. Some of you are focusing on your spiritual side. I do see that you are being all alone, being hurt. You don't want to face the world. You're trying to hide in your shell, being inside your house, not talking to people around you. Some of you still working on a relationship, or you're trying to revive a relationship with your person, whoever has put you in this energy of 10 of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. Somebody has betrayed you, or you may have found out that this person was cheating on you or something, or they may have told you all of a sudden that, you know, they are not happy with you, that kind of an energy. We have King of Cups, the World. Okay, oh my god, Virgos, they say that after every night there is a morning. Here comes your morning. Okay, so some of you who are just in this energy, I feel that there's somebody who likes you. We have the King of Wands, King of Cups, we have the World. There's somebody, 4 of Wands. There's somebody who likes you, Virgos. Okay, they are waiting for you to get over this energy so that they can offer you, they can propose you, and they want to start a new life with you, Virgos. Okay, yeah, Knight of Swords. Somebody is just rushing in to be with you, Virgos. Okay, I do see somebody coming towards you and who is going to support you in this difficult phase. For the others of you, you are trying to revive a relationship which has lost a spark, or maybe your person just left you all of a sudden, or you found out something about that person, something like this. So let's see what are their current feelings towards you. What does this person think for you? We'll see what do they think for you, Virgos. Okay, all right, so we have the 2 of Swords, what do they think for my Virgos? How are they feeling towards my Virgos? Okay, I think Virgos, I do see, Virgos, that this person has realized their mistake, and I feel that they want to work on this relationship with you again. Okay, I think you both are going to talk to each other and sort the differences, because we have the justice here. This person is thinking of coming back to you for sure. We have the Queen of Swords, so expect a communication from this person. Okay, they want to talk to you, Virgos. This person, I think they regret hurting you, or they regret not paying attention to you, something like this. Yeah, Star in reverse and the Emperor. I think it's their ego that's holding them back, but I think this person is going to work towards this, Virgos. Okay, yeah. So let's see what's the outcome for you, Virgos. I think you guys are going to start fresh. I do see that energy where you are going to start fresh. Some of you are going to get into a completely new relationship. I do see a new life for some of you. Okay, for the others of you, I do see that this person is going to come back to you. It's just that because they have realized their mistakes. Okay, they have realized their mistakes and they want to work on this relationship with you, Virgos. Okay, this person regrets for what they have done with you in the past, and yeah, they feel sorry, and now they want to work towards this for sure. So let's see what is going to be the outcome in this. Let's see what's the outcome for you. Oh my God, 9 of Cups. I told you things are going to get better. Whatever you wish is going to happen, Virgos. Okay, we have the 9 of Cups, we have the Star, we have the 4 of Wands, the World, so we have the 2 of Birds. So everything is going to get sorted. So I think whatever you wish, Virgos, is going to happen soon. Alright, so we have the 9 of Cups. Your wish is going to be granted. Okay, so okay, Virgos, you could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius who is coming in your life with a very strong commitment. This could be an Aries, Aquarius, Libra. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is coming very strongly. A Virgo. Yeah, sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent, so you could be dealing with them. So let's see who's coming towards singles. Let's see what do we have in store for singles. Let's see what do we have in store for singles. Okay, oh my God, so many cards have, but I'm going to pick up this. We have the 6 of Cups, 6 of Swords, 6 of Cups, 5 of Swords, Ace of Cups, and 8 of Pentacles. Singles, I think some of you are going to reconcile. I think an ex may approach you if you have broken up. I think there's an ex who may come back in your life, and or you may go back to, for most of you I feel it's you who may go back to your ex. Some of you, I think you're focused on work, and I see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces coming towards you. Scorpio, I do see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces who's coming towards you. Okay, so I think some of you are hurt. Could be that you are having some issues in your workplace. Okay, I do see politics in your work environment, or it could be even family. I don't know, I'm not going deeper there, but I do see that you're going through some issues in your environment and that's bothering you. So I think an ex is going to approach you, Virgos, or this could be you who is going back to your ex for reconciliation. And for the others of you, there's a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who is coming towards you. Okay, so let's see what do we have, what messages do we have. Okay, so let's see what messages do we have for you, Virgos. We're going to see what messages do we have for you. Any message for my Virgos? We'll see the advice for my Virgos? Let's see what advice do we have for my Virgos. Okay, I've got 2 cards together. Come to the edge, never ending story. They leave you out in the cold and then they come back to you, they apologize, then they're sorry. This is like an ongoing process, and I think it's been happening with you since a very long time. It's a never ending story that you guys are going through. Okay, so the message is come to the edge. This card is trying to tell you that you have 2 options, Virgos. Okay, if you feel that this person is not going to change, you have a choice. You have a choice to leave this person, especially if this person is somebody, you know, who is not trustworthy or who may have broken your trust again and again and again, or the one, this could be somebody who hurts you. Okay, I don't know, it could be anything. This card is trying to tell you it's okay to take a break. It's okay not to be the center of attraction all the time. It's okay not to give your 100% all the time in this relationship. So if you want, guys, you can take a break. Okay, you don't have to run after this person always, and I'm 100% sure this person is coming back to you. Okay, if they are not talking to you, I think this person is going to come back. All right, so you can take a break, Virgos. You don't have to go back to them. They are going to come back to you. Okay, so you can stay where you are and just wait for them to come back. But still, if it's a never ending story and you feel tired, then you have a choice. Okay, you make a choice. Keep yourself as a priority. Don't let others take undue advantage of you, Virgos. So be careful. Okay, that is it, Virgos. This was your reading. I hope this resonates, and if this does, do let me know. And you guys take care. Bye.